California is on fire. There have been nearly a dozen wildfires throughout the state, most of them fueled by the Santa Ana winds. The latest, the 8,000-acre Maria fire in Ventura County, northwest of Los Angeles. The Easy Fire scorched 1,700 acres, mostly vegetation in Simi Valley, and had threatened the Ronald Reagan Library. During these fires, tens of thousands have been ordered to evacuate. And while most damage from a wildfire takes place in remote areas, a few have hit close to home. San Bernardino County's Hillside Fire wiped out 6 homes, while the Getty Fire threatened thousands of homes in one of LA's wealthiest neighborhoods. But after the flames die out and all that's left is debris, some families are left with this.
Last week's Tick Fire was one of the few fires that scorched residential neighborhoods. Among the property burnt, this home belonging to a Filipino family.
The Tick Fire is at near full containment. Most homes along Sequoia have been spared, but the worst is the damage. This 2-story home belonging to 4 members of the Palos family. Messages of support sit in front of the rubble, and the community has shown more support with a GoFundMe page. The family left a message on the page, appreciating the efforts of the community and understanding the tough choices of firefighters on saving specific homes versus taking steps to stopping widespread damage. As firefighters make progress against the ongoing wildfires, many communities are slowly being repopulated, with residents hoping against hope that their homes are still standing. Steve Angeles, CBS-CBN News, Canyon Country, California.